Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have Chanel's new Le Blanc collection. This collection is very much inspired by Perles. It's so elegant and I cannot wait to try it on for you guys. First, before we get into this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already and hit that notification bell to get notified when I upload new videos. Also, be sure to subscribe and follow me on Instagram. I upload so many inspirational posts as well as new makeup releases. Also, I'm going to start posting some fashion inspiration, so be sure to follow me there. All right, let's get into this video. Chanel has been adding these beautiful ribbons to their packaging, and it's really inspired by the collection itself. I've been loving it. They did the same thing for the spring collection as well. Very nice touch. I'm always so excited to open up a Chanel package. So I bought 3 pieces from this collection. First, we have the highlighter. So even though Chanel says it's an illuminating blush powder, from the pictures that I have been seeing, it really does look like a highlighter. But it comes like so. And the highlighter itself looks stunning. Oh, it's so beautiful. I love the gold shade and the embossment. Chanel's embossments are everything. It has like little pearls around the CC logo. Stunning. I cannot wait to try this. Now keep in mind the Le Blanc collection usually is a sheer type of everyday type of collection. That's the elegance of it really. So I really am anticipating that this collection isn't going to be so saturated. It is going to be more of a sheer, beautiful type of collection. So just going into it, that's what I have in mind. I also purchased the eyeshadow quad. And this one is quite interesting. It kind of reminds me of a fall type of eyeshadow quad, but in a pearlescent type of effect, just because of that white pearlescent glowy type of eyeshadow. I can't wait to try this one out. With the release of the collection, there was also a couple of different lip shades. I opted for the Rouge Cocoa and the Ultra Hydrating Lip Color. This one is in shade 496 Tendresse. I hope it's pronounced Tendresse. But it's such a beautiful lipstick shade. I haven't purchased a Rouge Cocoa lipstick in a while, so this is such a beautiful shade. It's so pretty. So that's what I purchased from this collection. Now let's zoom you guys in and let's try them all out. Before I get into trying the collection, I also remembered I did receive a package from Chanel the past week. It was a complete surprise. I didn't order this myself, but I feel that they sent this during the holiday collection, but it came in late. It's just a little gift from them, and it's a beautiful candle. I was so excited to receive it. This was such an unexpected gift. Thank you so much, Chanel. I love it so much. It smells absolutely amazing. I can't wait to burn this candle. Let's get into the eyeshadow palette first. So I think I'm going to grab this lighter shade right here, and I'm just gonna apply this all over my eyelid. An extremely sheer shade. I feel like I didn't really apply anything on my eyelids really. It just kind of gave a glow. All right, let's get into the next shade. So let's add some color to the look. We are going to go into this shade right here. And I'm just going to add that to the outer corner. A very pretty rustic shade, and actually it lays on very well. I really love how it blended. Really pretty. So I just added it kind of to the outer corner, brought it in just ever so slightly, and also kind of shaded it right underneath my eyes as well. So very pretty. Let's get into the next shade. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get into this shade right here. Let's go ahead and add this right into the inner corner. This shade is so pretty. It just kind of adds that glow, and it's really gorgeous. I love it. And actually it does remind me of this palette here. This is a previous palette from a previous collection. I will insert the review of this palette as well. So I will go ahead and add side-by-side swatches of both of these shades. I feel like this one has more of a glitter shine, and this one is just a little bit more of a sheer version of this, but they're pretty much very similar. So let's blend all of those shades together, and let's add this shade right here, right to the middle. A very simple glowy look. I really love how when I added this eyeshadow, it kind of incorporated with the glow of the white shade. I do love the brightness in this eye look, so I definitely don't want to add any black eyeliner. I just want that white to kind of really pop. So I think I'm going to add this white eyeliner also by Chanel. This is from a previous collection, and this one is called Blanc Graphique. And I'm just going to do that underneath or inside my waterline. And then I do want to add a bit of an eyeliner. So I'm going to use the shade 955 in Romance, also from a previous collection. I feel that this shade is very similar to the outer corner shade, and I feel like it would look really pretty. I'm also going to add some mascara, and I will be right back to try out that highlighter and lipstick. There's a finished eye look. I love the way it turned out, very glowy, and it really opened up my eyes. And that's really the thing about white eyeliner, is it really makes your eyes so much bigger. And also this collection came out with 2 different eyeliners, but honestly, if you have this eyeliner in Romance from a previous collection, then I believe that this one just looks just as good. You don't have to buy another eyeliner. This eyeliner actually works so well with this eye look. Now let's get into the highlighter, or Chanel calls it a blush, but honestly, I feel it's a highlighter. I'm going to use my Chanel blush brush and just swirl it in there. Let's see, yeah, a lot of product does come out. So we're just going to add this right to the top corner of my cheeks. I hope the camera is picking it up, but there is a slight glow. It's not too prominent, but it's enough to really be very beautiful. Just gives you a natural glow. Down. I just turned the light down so that hopefully this picks up on camera, although I feel that it's so sheer, I probably won't. Hopefully it is, because it's very beautiful. It's not that a highlight that kind of is in your face. It's just sheer, but not so sheer that you can't see it either. I don't know, it's really pretty. It gives you such a nice glow. I see now why Chanel calls this a blush. Because it's so sheer and it's not an intense highlight, you could honestly just use it on your cheeks. Being a LeBlanc collection, you think white, and this certainly holds true to the name. It's just so glowy, so white, and brilliant. The one word that comes to mind is a stellar glow. In all honesty, it truly is a stellar glow. Very pretty. Now let's get into this gorgeous lipstick, and I have a feeling this is going to top off the look, and it's going to look absolutely beautiful. And this is the finished look. So stunning. I actually didn't anticipate that I would love this collection as much as I do. The eyeshadow is so gorgeous, and even though I thought it would be sheer, it certainly is in comparison to Chanel's other palettes, but it's still so beautiful. It's not as sheer as I anticipated it to be. The colors are gorgeous. I think the only color that probably shouldn't have been a part of this palette is this right here. I didn't find that it had any pigment to it whatsoever. It did give a slight glow, but not too much for it to really be an eyeshadow at all. But other than this shade right here, these three shades are gorgeous. This white one is so glowy, and just applying it onto your eyelid, oh, it really makes for a gorgeous eyeshadow. The shade right over here, it just gives such a gorgeous contrast and does that rustic type of edgy look. Altogether, this palette is so beautiful. I did not think I would love it as much as I do, but I really do. I really like it. Chanel has really been hitting it home run with their blush and highlighter type of palettes. Christmas time, they had a gorgeous blush highlighter palette that I still use and love. And for the spring collection, they had a blush highlighter duo that's so bright and beautiful. And then this palette right here, so gorgeous, beautiful. I have nothing really bad to say about it. I love that pearlesque type of feel that this collection has. It's truly gorgeous and glowy. And then this lipstick. Ooh, so beautiful. I love it. I love that unlike the palette, the eyeshadow palette and the highlighter, which have more of a sheer glow, this one gives you that pigment that really pops, and it's just so gorgeous. I love it. I love the formula to this lipstick, of course. All of Chanel's lipsticks have one of the best formulas ever, and this is definitely a gorgeous shade. And that's it for my review of Chanel's new Le Blanc collection. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you guys were interested in any pieces of this collection, I hope it made it easier for you. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and hit that notification bell to get notified when I upload new videos. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I will be adding a ton of new content, so be sure to add me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.